Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn about the 4 stages of product life cycle. The stages which a product has to go through during its lifetime. Understand? As a human being also has a 4 stages. First stage is when a child is born in this world. Next is teenage, then adult, and then last is old age. Okay? As the product has 4 stages. First of all, we have taken a graph to understand it easily. Okay, first is introduction stage, when his product is introduced in the market. What are the stages? First is low sales. When the product is introduced in the market, the sales is very low. Very high cost in advertising because people is not aware about the product. Okay, low sales, high cost per customer, financial losses, innovative customers, few if any competitors. There is no competitors because your product is new in the market. You have to invest a lot to make people aware about your product. Okay, next stage is growth. First understand how we have taken in the graph. First is takeoff, when product is introduced. Next is take out, when the growth stage is. In this growth stage, what we came to know, increasing sales, when the stage growth of the product is growing and the sales is increasing. Cost per customer falls, profits rise, increasing number of customers, more competitors. Okay, next is maturity level. The point is saturation point. Okay, next is peak sales, when the product is at maturity level, the sales is at a peak level. Okay, cost per customer lowest, profits high, mass market, stable number of competitors. Understand? 3 stages we have learned. Last is decline stage. Okay, when product started to decline in the market. Understand? Falling sales started decreasing. Okay, cost per customer is low, profit starts falling, customer base is low, number of competitors fall. Okay, in this video we have learned in a simple manner the 4 stages of product life cycle. Hope you have understood all these concepts. If you are liking our video, please do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.